Hey, question. Hi, guys. This is Mr. H. I'm going to do question number 2 from the June 2025 Regents exam. Basically, they've given us a parabola, and they want us to look at the intervals and figure out which interval the parabola is always increasing. So let me turn to this page because I have it here, and I've already kind of chopped it up. Now, remember, whenever they give you an interval, basically they're telling you what section of the graph they want you to focus on. And, remember what I said, it's like cutting slices of bread. So you're going to go to 1 and 4. This is 1 and 4. This is a negative infinity. Uh, mm, Actually, it's not. Yeah, it is a negative infinity to 3. This one is 3 to a positive infinity, and this one is a negative 1 to 1. All right. And basically what you're going to do within those intervals, you're just going to look to see what's going on with the function. And remember, when you're looking for increasing, decreasing, you always start from the left and you go to the right. So in this case, it's decreasing all the way till it gets to the vertex, then it starts to increase. So it's increasing and decreasing, but they said only increasing. So it's not the first one. All right, this one, it says we're going from a negative infinity to a positive 3, so we would be going down, decreasing all the way down to that interval. So the whole interval we're decreasing. So it's definitely not this one. Now let's go to this one. Let me see if I can make this a little better. All right, so here I've blown it up. This one we start at 3, and as you can see, all we're doing in this interval is we're always increasing. So this is the answer. All right, this is the answer. So we started from 3 and we go to a positive infinity. All right, so that's the increasing interval. Now I'm going to go ahead and look at the last one, even though we know it's not that one. I'm going to, let's see if I can make this a little bigger. From a negative 1, so you can see, again, it's decreasing. And then once it gets past the vertex, it starts to increase. So it has both in there. So we only want increasing, so that one's not it. So this one's not it. This one's not it. That's it right there. Now, the most important thing for this is you got to be able to know how to look at the intervals. So remember, intervals are always going to be slices of a graph, and you slice the graph vertically because intervals are basically x values. So you're slicing the graph or function vertically, and then within those slices, you just look and evaluate what's going on. Is it increasing, decreasing? Is it constant? What's going on? So that's it. Pretty simple if you understand how to read a graph and how to find intervals. But if you don't, it's a struggle. So make sure you pay attention. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post.